Fikile tried to kill herself. Will she survive? Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu The Seed from the 22nd to the 26th of November 2021 on Monday. Zagiti goes to offer Fikile support, but Fikile remains locked in the bedroom. Fikile starts a fire in the bedroom and Zagiti freaks out because she cannot unlock the bedroom door. Is Nkululeko cursed on Tuesday. Lindo's jealousy gets out of hand and he plans tricks at Msamo to ruin Buhle's party. Unfortunately, Msamo catches the fire and the guests start vomiting on Wednesday. Nkululeko discovers Fikile has disappeared from the hospital and hires someone to find him. The church board is horrified about the church converting and excommunicating Kanyo and Pagade on Thursday. Lindy realizes that Lindo was also responsible for the fiasco at the party and threatened to expose him if he doesn't come clean on Friday. Nkululeko goes against his family and continue with the preparation to marry Thokozile's spirit to Ngolosi, fulfilling his mother's only desire. Will this put his mother's spirit to rest? Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. If you want the full episode, please let me know on the comment section.